Stock market is down and my dad is having a attack. So guys, I'm starting the vlog pretty late. I just showered and all, and I kind of decided to upload regularly, more than twice a week this week, because I know a lot of you are staying home, so it might be just entertaining for some of you and just try to like distract you from the current situation that's going on. I'm right now having my lunch. After lunch, I have to sit and edit my video and then also have some packages to open, so we'll do that later on. But first, I'm super hungry, so I'll just go ahead and eat. I'm like taking 5 minutes to just adjust my camera. So after having काम कौन कर से? After having my lunch, I was straight up watching TikToks for like 30 minutes. I need to sit and edit now. So it's 3:30 and I hope I'll be done by 6ish. Let's see. So I just have to edit few clips. The footage is like 1 hour, less than 1 hour. So hopefully I'll be done soon and then I can just chill. Let's do that. इधर से इधर इधर से इधर ऐसे ही कैमरा Profit of being at home. So, mommy, what's cooking today?
Frankie.
Frankie. So, roti bana rahe ho aap?
Yes.
Of what is this made of? Maida and
Gehu mix.
so like whole wheat and all-purpose flour mix.
The next day.
My mom just surprised me with this today. I wish I had a before and after to like show you guys. But Boo finally had a shower. He's like soaking wet right now. So my mom used surf and water, hot water, to clean him up. I wanted to so badly vlog. This was in my list, but my mom just gave me a surprise. So all you get to see is this panda sitting right here. His name is Boo. He has been with me since 8-9 years now, I think. After 1 or 2 hours, I'll put him in the balcony and wait for him to dry up. But this is the situation right now. Also, guys, I woke up at 12 today. Like, I just broke records, I think, because I used to wake up at 10:30, 11 max, and आज तो record break हो गया 12 बजे उठी हूँ मैं and किसी ने literally मेरे को उठाया नहीं है. So wow, this was actually much needed because when you have cold you sleep a lot. So yeah, I'll shower and all, and then I'll do unboxing of stuff that I have to show you guys. So wait for it. I just have like a bunch of packages. Oh my god, from Amazon and everything to open. Wait, I'll just. There are like 6 packages to open. This was before the lockdown. So don't think I ordered it just now. But it was just out there waiting for me to like just open. So the first thing that I got is this pouch. Yeah. So it's basically a jewelry pouch. You can store in your jewelry, or I actually wanted something like this while traveling. So you can store in your chains, earrings, and then rings, and the rest everything else here. There's also a divider here, so you can divide this into 3 different sections, and it's in a nice pink color. I really like this, and it will be perfect when you're like traveling. I just used to keep everything in a pouch, and everything used to get lost, and chains used to get like tangled with each other. So I think that's a nice thing to have. The links to everything will be again in the description box below. Although I wouldn't ask you to purchase it right away, purchase it after the lockdown is done. So the next thing I got is this. It's aloe vera juice, and this I think is the best aloe vera juice out there. It also has pulp in it, and this is very good for immunity, and it clears out your tummy also, so good for digestion. Aloe vera juice is also good for like skin and hair, so it's all in one basically. You can either take a shot of this or mix it with water and have it. I personally just mix it with water and have it. You'll see the result within like a week only, I think. Oh yeah, it's the floodlight. So since I mostly have like this white wall background, I personally thought of changing things. And oh shit, man. So I'll have to what? Arey yaar. What is this? Shit. There's no switch. It just comes with this wire. Freak, man, I'll have to call my electricity man now to like help me out with this. So basically it comes with a remote control and this panel of LED lights, which is like this. I don't know how to use this now. So basically it has a lot of different colors and you can just change the color. So sad I can't show you how it works now. But we'll soon see it in the vlogs, so not to worry about it. Next thing I got is, oh yeah, this is a jewelry organizer. This is what it looks like, and you can like use the squares and arrange it the way you want. Like section it the way you want. If you want longer, if you want to put in longer earrings, you can keep more space and then put the divider in. And basically you can store in 36 different things inside. You can even use it for like other craft purposes and all, but I got this specially to store my earrings, and you can even hang this if you want, but obviously I'll just store it like that. So got that. Finally, thank god this came in before the lockdown. So this is command strips. I got like 3 of them. You can hang in paintings and everything with this. And so you guys know, there's painting that I still need to hang up on my wall. I was waiting for this. This doesn't damage the wall, and you don't even have to like drill and put nails and everything and then hang the picture. You can directly just stick this to the painting and the wall and then hang the painting directly. The last thing from Amazon is this huge box. Okay, so this is a kitchen rack. We'll build that later soon. And the last box I got is a PR package basically. So like you can see, it's from Ponds. The new mineral clay range. Wow. Why is this a tongue twister for me? And inside we have, it's clay time. We have their pure white mineral clay mask. The black one is anti-pollution and the pink one is instant brightness. These are masks and these are facial foams. I actually can't wait to use the deep clean detox clay mask. I'm very excited about that. Thank you so much for sending this, Pons. Really appreciate that. Let's build this up. Okay guys, finally it's done. I had to struggle a little bit because I forgot to insert the rods first. But you basically have to do it together, and you also get this small clips in the side to hang things. I think it's a nice thing to keep in the kitchen or even in the bathroom. So that's it for the unboxing. Now I'll just go ahead and paint something, or first I'll just figure out where I need to keep this in the kitchen. Let's do that. Then my camera went dead and I couldn't record the further things, but I didn't do anything much later on. So this is what the coloring book, not book, the colors, whatever, the drawing looks like now. And I am not a pro at drawing or coloring. I am self-taught, and this just actually just makes me happy, the blending of the colors and everything here. So there's no complaint. It's okay, I'm learning still. And yeah, that's basically it. I just hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please don't forget to give this vlog a big thumbs up. Also leave your video ideas in the also don't forget to leave your video request in the comments below. India has gone down to like 21 days of lockdown, and things will be different now, so I just want to post content that's kind of relatable now. If you want me to continue doing vlogs, then do let me know about that also by giving this video a big fat thumbs up. And don't forget to work hard, be kind, stay positive, stay at home, be productive, don't scroll through internet. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog now. Bye.